The activity view in the Moderne platform allows you to easily view recipes, commits, and visualizations that were recently done across an entire organization. This creates a more collaborative experience on the platform, saves even more developer time, and provides better visibility on things going on across the organization to engineering teams. This view provides you with the ability to look at someone else's recipes and make commits from it, or jump straight to making visualizations instead of having to run the recipe yourself first. The view offers a simple table layout where you can connect the outputs from a recipe run displayed in the branching graph to the left of the table. The first circle shows recent recipes, the second circle shows recent commits, and the last shows visualizations. You can mouse over the circles to see what they represent. You can also click on the circles to highlight the rows that match your selection. To the right of the circle, you can see information like what action was taken, more information about the recipe configuration, the organization it was done in, the status, and how long ago it happened. In an enterprise instance, you can see who made the change, but this is masked in the public app. Let's take a look at a quick example. Here you can see that a recipe was run by one individual and committed by another. From that same recipe, a third person created two visualizations from it. Organizations within the platform can be hierarchical and nested. If you choose the higher organization, you will see all the nested organizations as well in the activity view. Save time and have a more collaborative experience with the Moderne activity view. Check out our documentation to learn more.